Argo CD is amazing, but is it perfect? While it shines as a Kubernetes native CD tool, there's one thing that it doesn't do: continuous integration. How does it compare to GitHub Actions, which excels in CI but also handles CD? Let's break it down. Let's talk about what makes Argo CD stand out in the cloud native world. Argo is a game changer when it comes to Kubernetes deployment. With its declarative GitOps model, Argo CD enables you to manage applications with precision and automation. This means that once your application is configured in Git, Argo ensures that your Kubernetes cluster is always in sync with that configuration, no matter what changes occur. No manual intervention needed. But Argo doesn't stop there. It takes deployment strategies to the next level with advanced options like blue-green and canary deployment. This allows you to deploy with minimal risk, carefully rolling out changes to only a portion of your users before going all in. On top of all this, Argo CD works seamlessly to a multi-cluster environment, making it perfect for teams that deploy to many Kubernetes clusters across different regions. And it doesn't matter how complex your infrastructure is, Argo is built to scale with you. Now let's talk about GitHub Actions. This tool is an automation powerhouse, especially for CI. It integrates seamlessly with GitHub repos, allowing you to build, test, and deploy your code automatically. And while it supports continuous deployment, its real strengths lie in CI tasks like running tests, building images, or validating code quality. But here's where Argo falls short. It doesn't do CI. If you are looking to build and test your application, you need a separate tool like GitHub Actions or Jenkins. Argo is designed for deployment, not code validation. Another challenge, it's very Kubernetes focused. If your use case isn't tied to Kubernetes, Argo might not be for you. Pairing Argo with GitHub Actions gives you the best of both worlds. GitHub Action handles CI tasks like testing and building Docker images, while Argo manages deployments to Kubernetes. Together, they form a DevOps dream team. If you're excited about the power of Argo and GitHub Actions, imagine taking it even further. In my course, you go beyond just automation basics. Learn how to deploy MySQL in Kubernetes, back it up, and restore it seamlessly using AWS S3. Explore advanced techniques like port forwarding and other strategies that will truly set you apart. This course is designed with one goal in mind: making you job ready. Click the link in the description to join now and take your DevOps skills to the next level. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech insights.
So beautiful.